Tip number 3, consistency. One of the keys to your success with social media is to be consistent. Did you know that over time, people actually start to rely upon seeing your posts in their newsfeed, especially when you're adding value to their day? In order to be consistent, you need to pick a specific time and day and sit down and create your social media. Without a solid plan in place, it's going to be hard for you to accomplish your goals, and you might become overshadowed by what seems like other important tasks. Putting your social media on your calendar will help to make it real and help hold you accountable. Now, in the beginning, you're going to need to establish how much time is needed in order for you to create all your social media. If you're on a team, divide up the tasks and help each other. Do you know you can sit down and create all your posts for the week by scheduling it on most platforms or using a third-party scheduler? This is an amazing tool that's going to make your life so much more easier, especially if you're going to take a vacation. You know, a lot of the time that we waste with social media is overthinking what content to create. At KISS, our motto is keep it simple. Watch the world around you for great content. But remember, your brand also needs to be consistent. It's beneficial for your brand to pick a specific tone and theme and keep it consistent. It doesn't mean you need to do the same thing all the time. Write down what your color codes are and keep your logo handy so you can drop it onto photos. Pick a new theme each week and get in the rhythm of being consistent. Watch, in no time at all, consistency will actually become a habit. Now, if you really want to become a social media ninja, then you should sign up for our social media bootcamp, the Master Series, right here online. Now for your next tip, just scroll down.